Welcome. So in this video, we'll discuss about like what is planner in Meta Business Suite. So like once you will go to the Meta Business Suite and you will see the option of the planner in the left hand. When you will click on the planner, so here some basic definition is there. Plan your marketing calendar by creating, scheduling, and managing your content. What it means, like you can create the content, you can upload the content, and you can schedule this particular content for the further date. Suppose on 20 December 2024 I want to post something, but I am not available at this particular time, so I can schedule my content for the 20th September 2024 for that date of under the planner section. So what you have to do, you have to go to the planner section and pick any date in which you want to schedule the content. Suppose on the 20 you want to schedule, so click on the 20 and you will see option here on the 20th September 2024 at which time you want to post the content. So from here you can pick the timing, and as do the same thing for the Instagram, like for the 20th September at which time you want to post the content. This is the active time. What is the active time? Active time represents basically like when your follower were most active on Instagram and Facebook represently in the last 7 days. Like this will pick the data of the last 7 days, and this will identify when your audience will be active more time. Like today it's 21:30 and tomorrow is the 21:30, and on the 21 September it is 12:30. So from here you can identify like at what time most audience will be active. According to that you can schedule your post and contents. Okay, so when you click on the save, so you will see the option here, post to, like on which page you want to post this particular content. You can also publish this particular post to the groups. It can be any groups, the groups will be there which you will join on the Facebook groups. The group will be reflected here and you can select any groups and you can just post it here. So after that you can also pick one platform. Suppose you want to post only on Instagram, so just you can uncheck on Facebook, only on Instagram post will be go. After that you will see the add photos. Here you can see that you can add the photo, you can add the video, you can use the templates. Okay, you can choose your templates. This is the Vimo templates. So after that what you can do, like the post detail will be there, so you can see that customized post for Facebook and Instagrams. It means like you can customize the caption for the Facebook and Instagram. Here you can mention the Instagram text, here you can mention the Facebook text, and there are the multiple option here. From here you can add the multiple emoji, you can add the location, and you can add the message button, like from here the people can contact with you direct from under the post. Get message button will be there, and here the A/B test version you can create for this particular post, and this is the link. You can preview the link, or okay, this is the brands. Like if you want to schedule the post, a draft post, this tagging function is not be available. So in this what is happen, like you can select you can tag multiple brands according to your niche. So the scheduling option is there. Here you can again schedule. So after that you can see the option of the schedule. When you click on the schedule, so this post will be scheduled for the particular duration, maybe later. And here you can see that on the 20th of September we have scheduled at 10 a.m. on Facebook and on Instagram. So in this way we can easily schedule the content on our social media channels. It can be Facebook, it can be Instagram. And in the top you will see an option. From here, like you can create the post, you can create story, you can create reels, bulk upload reels. Like at a single time you can upload many reels, bulk upload videos, post video across page. So you can do multiple things from here. Okay, and the goal section is there. Just we are going to planner. So here you can see the goal section is there. You can pick a goal according to your interest. like what you want to do, like on Facebook and Instagram, on which platform. Suppose on Facebook page and Instagram I want to grow followers in 28 days. So you can see that how many followers you want to increase. Suppose I want to increase the followers 1k. So you can see that choose the goal to try and increase the next. So the goal schedule, like from which date the goal will start, and the end date will be there. So when you click on the create goals, so the goal will be created here. As you can see that whenever you will come in the planner section, so you will see this goal option. From that you have an idea like what I have to achieve. Okay, so this is the thing that you can do in the planner. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day. If you have any question, you can ask.